Hi there, students. A three-ring circus. A three-ring circus. Well, literally, this is a circus with three different events taking place at the same time. Each circular area, each circular enclosure is called the ring in a circus. So a three-ring circus is going to be a large circus where you're getting three performances at the same time. But nowadays, as an idiom, we use this to talk about something that is very disordered, something that's complicated, a situation that's rapidly changing, something that is amazing, strange, there's absolute pandemonium, is a pure commotion. Okay, so a three-ring circus, a chaotic situation. Yeah, I was looking after my neighbour's kids, and it was like a three-ring circus. When the kitchen is really busy and there are lots and lots of diners waiting to be served, it becomes a three-ring circus. Yeah, a situation of complete confusion. Yeah, living at home was a three-ring circus. Dogs barking, babies crying, phones ringing, people knocking at the door, all sorts of things going on at the same time. And that's the idea of a three-ring circus. Something that's noisy, confused. You know these situations where there are a load of reporters waiting outside the courthouse or waiting outside a court, yeah? Well, when the person they want to comes out, or when anybody comes out, then the three-ring circus starts, yeah? I think you could also use this phrase, a three-ring circus, for a public spectacle. Yeah, but with nothing that nothing very substantial to it. The meeting of the members of the political party was just a three-ring circus. It's turned into a three-ring circus. It's confused, but also in this case, it's something which doesn't have a great deal of substance. Okay, so something becomes a ring circus. It's tumultuous, it's full of confused noise and different things happening. Yeah, Oxford Street on a Saturday afternoon is a three-ring circus. Yeah, there are huge numbers of things happening. It's a confused, maybe rather annoying situation as well. They had the idea that they were going to organise this very well, but it became a three-ring circus. Yeah, it became a situation that was funny, it was confusing, there was lots of action, there were lots of different things happening. Let's see, I went home for Christmas and all of the family were there, and it descended into a three-ring circus. It typically descends into a three-ring circus. Yeah, there's confusion, there are all sorts of things happening. Okay, as to origin, there are suggestions that this comes from P.T. Barnum in the 1900s, where P.T. Barnum was the king of show business and entrepreneurs, and he very often had extravagant events that were disorderly. I noticed that many of the dictionaries say American, and maybe the origin is American, but certainly Rudyard Kipling used it in a diversity of creatures. So, well, I think you could use it just about anywhere. Formality, a three-ring circus. I think I'm going to give it a 4.5 in formality. Use it informally, semi-formal conversation and a semi-formal writing. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. A three-ring circus.